What's the meaning of Andrew Marvell? Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell.
Andrew Marvell, 1621 to 1678, was an English poet and politician, best known for his influential works that contributed significantly to the development of English literature in the 17th century. His poetry was characterized by a combination of classical literary traditions and contemporary political concerns, often dealing with themes such as love, nature, politics, and morality. Marvell's most famous poems include To His Coy Mistress, The Garden, and Upon Appleton House. His legacy continues to inspire and influence poets and scholars today.